Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to dive into the awesome world of 3D printing without emptying your wallet? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget 3D printers in 2025 that give you big performance for a small price. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro looking for a backup printer, we've got something just for you. Oh, and all the links to these printers are in the description below, so check those out when you're ready to upgrade. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Let's go. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Intina 2 Mini. And let me tell you, this thing is adorable. But don't let the size fool you. It's a plug-and-play champion for beginners. No assembly, no calibration stress. Just unbox it and start printing. It's super compact, making it perfect for small spaces, classrooms, or anyone wanting to dip their toes into 3D printing for the first time. Bonus points, it even has Wi-Fi printing. Intina 2 Plus, the perfect blend of speed, precision, and simplicity, specially designed for kids, beginners, and hobbyists who want to turn imagination into reality effortlessly. With a lightning-fast print speed of 250 millimeters per second, this upgraded mini 3D printer significantly cuts down printing time without compromising on detail. Thanks to its 10,000 RPM high-powered cooling fan, heat dissipation is super efficient, resulting in stable, smooth, and flawless prints every time. What makes the Tina 2 Plus stand out is its fully open-source compatibility, supporting Linux, Windows, Mac, and even Chromebooks. Whether you're a curious beginner or a DIY tinkerer, you'll love the freedom to tweak settings, customize commands, and explore a wide range of materials with a quick-release hot end and 80 degrees Celsius heated bed. No complicated setup needed here. The Tina 2 Plus comes fully assembled and includes a complete starter kit with an SD card preloaded with sample models, slicing software, and step-by-step tutorials. It's literally plug-in print, perfect for classrooms, creative kids, and anyone looking to start their 3D printing journey with ease. The smart design includes Wi-Fi connectivity and seamless integration with Polo Print Cloud, letting you browse thousands of models, slice online, and start printing with just one click via the mobile app. Built for success, the Tina 2 Plus also features auto bed leveling and a dual Z-axis design for rock-solid stability, improving accuracy and minimizing print failures. So even your first print can be a success story. Compact yet powerful, the printer offers a build volume, making it ideal for home use, school projects, or desk-side creativity. And with 30-day hassle-free returns, lifetime technical support, and a 24-hour customer service guarantee, Intina truly delivers worry-free printing. And number 4, we have the elegant Neptune 3 Pro, a favorite among tinkerers and hobbyists. Why? Because it's packed with features you normally find on pricier models. Automatic bed leveling, a dual-gear direct drive extruder, and silent stepper motors. Yes, quiet printing. Elegant Neptune 3 Pro, a feature-packed FDM 3D printer designed for creators who demand performance, precision, and reliability. With a spacious build volume, this printer gives you the flexibility to print larger models or multiple parts in one go, perfect for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Built around a powerful STM32 motherboard and ultra-quiet stepper motors, the Neptune 3 Pro ensures smooth, precise motion with noise levels as low as 47 to 48 dB. Whether printing in a home office, workshop, or a classroom, you'll enjoy a nearly silent experience without sacrificing accuracy. At the heart of the machine is a dual-gear direct drive extruder, crafted from premium SUS 303 stainless steel with a 3-to-1 gear ratio. This design delivers superior filament control, stronger extrusion force, and a dramatically reduced risk of clogs or under-extrusion, making it ideal for printing with a wide variety of materials, including PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The advanced nozzle kit includes a TC4 titanium alloy throat, aluminum alloy heat sink, and a brass nozzle for efficient heat dissipation and reliable performance, print after print. The optimized cooling system reduces the chances of clogs and keeps your prints clean and detailed. With auto bed leveling that uses a 36-point mesh, the Neptune 3 Pro intelligently adjusts for any irregularities in the bed surface, ensuring perfect first layers and consistent results. Smart features like filament runout detection and power loss recovery keep your prints safe and your workflow smooth. The dual Z-axis lead screws and motors add extra stability and precision to vertical movements, eliminating layer shifts and wobble for better print quality. Combined with a removable capacitive touchscreen and robust build, this printer is as user-friendly as it is powerful. It's reliable, easy to set up, and gives stunning print quality for under $300. Taking the number 3 spot is a resin printer that's just chef's kiss, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K. If you're into printing miniatures, jewelry, or anything requiring high detail, this one's for you. It offers ultra-sharp 4K resolution, fast printing speeds, and a sleek user interface that's surprisingly beginner-friendly. Just remember, resin equals more mess, but also more detail. Anycubic Photon Mono 4, a powerhouse printer designed to deliver unmatched detail, reliability, and performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, this compact yet powerful machine is built to elevate your printing game. At the heart of the Photon Mono 4 lies its 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, boasting an ultra-crisp resolution and 17 micrometers pixel size. That's a 105% increase in precision compared to earlier models. Ideal for intricate miniatures, jewelry, dental models, and all projects where ultra-fine detail matters. Powered by Anycubic's upgraded light turbo matrix light source, this resin printer delivers uniform, balanced lighting across the build plate. The result? Smoother surfaces, fewer layer lines, and exceptional detailed definition. Combined with a blazing fast 1.5-second exposure time, you'll finish prints faster without sacrificing quality. Despite its compact footprint, the Photon Mono 4 offers an impressive build volume, giving you plenty of space to tackle everything from prototypes to collectibles, boosting productivity and creative freedom. The redesigned build platform features laser-engraved textures to optimize adhesion during printing while making model removal simple and clean. Say goodbye to warping and lifting. This printer is engineered for stability and consistent results. Ease of use is built in from the start. Every Photon Mono 4 comes fully assembled and factory calibrated. Just unbox, level the bed once, and start printing. Plus, power loss resume functionality ensures your print doesn't go to waste if the power cuts out mid-project. As always, Anycubic stands behind their machines, offering a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. A question? Their expert team responds within 24 hours on weekdays, ensuring peace of mind every step of the way. Sliding into number 2 is the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini, a hot newcomer in 2025 that's already turning heads. This printer is lightning fast, super smart, and has a clean modern design. It's basically like the Tesla of budget printers. It also includes auto calibration, active flow rate compensation, and optional multicolor printing with the AMS light system. Oh yeah, color me impressed. A compact yet powerful FDM 3D printer that redefines speed, precision, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or seasoned maker, the A1 Mini brings pro-level performance into your home or workspace, without the steep learning curve. With a blazing fast acceleration of 10,000 mms, the A1 Mini delivers exceptional print speeds while maintaining superb detail and dimensional accuracy. From prototypes to polished pieces, you'll enjoy fast, high-quality results every time. Take your designs to the next level with multicolor 3D printing, made possible by the AMS light system. Seamlessly print in up to 4 colors. Ideal for creative projects, toys, educational models, and more. It's multicolor made easy and reliable. The A1 Mini does all the heavy lifting with full auto calibration, no manual tuning required. It automatically handles bed leveling, Z-offset, vibration compensation, and nozzle pressure, ensuring every print starts off right and finishes even better. Enjoy unmatched print consistency with active flow rate compensation, an advanced algorithm that adjusts extrusion in real time. This smart feature guarantees smoother walls, sharper edges, and professional quality results, even on complex or delicate models. Setting up is a breeze. The printer comes pre-assembled, and with a quick-swap nozzle and intuitive touchscreen interface, you'll be printing your first model in as little as 20 minutes. Maintenance is quick, too, so you spend more time creating, less time tinkering. Despite its performance, the A1 Mini is incredibly quiet. Thanks to active motor noise cancellation, it operates at whisper levels of less than or equal to 48 dB, making it perfect for homes, offices, or classrooms. And finally, drumroll please, our #1 best budget 3D printer in 2025 is the fan-favorite Creity Ender 3v3 SE. This baby takes everything people loved about the classic Ender 3 and adds even more polish. We're talking faster printing speeds, quieter operation, better stability, and yes, automatic leveling too. The Creity Ender 3v3 SE, a high-performance DIY 3D printer designed to make quality printing easy and accessible for everyone, from total beginners to seasoned creators. With a powerful combo of intelligent features, robust hardware, and intuitive interface, this printer is ready to bring your creative visions to life. The Ender 3v3 SE boasts a printing speed of up to 250 mms and acceleration of 2500 mms, allowing you to complete models faster while maintaining impressive print quality. Whether you're prototyping or producing functional parts, this printer keeps up without compromising accuracy. Setup is a breeze. Assemble in just 3 steps in around 20 minutes. Thanks to CR Touch auto leveling and an integrated strain sensor for Z offset, achieving a flawless first layer is nearly effortless. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual leveling and hello to easy, successful prints right from the start. At the heart of this machine is the Sprite Direct Extruder, renowned for its reliable filament handling. Compatible with materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU, this extruder ensures consistent, jam-free performance across a wide range of projects. With over 500,000 units shipped globally, it's a trusted favorite among 3D printing enthusiasts. Built for stability and precision, the V3 SE features a dual Z-axis synchronized by a quality timing belt, minimizing wobble and enhancing vertical accuracy. The Y-axis runs on dual 8mm steel linear shafts, providing long-lasting strength and smooth movement of the build platform. Additional smart features include a 32-bit silent mainboard for quieter operation and more precise motor control, plus a flexible PC spring steel build plate that makes removing finished prints as easy as a gentle bend. You'll also love the one-tap filament auto-load/unload feature. Simple, quick, and beginner-friendly. With a generous build volume, the Creity Ender 3v3 SE delivers the perfect balance of speed, simplicity, and quality, making it a top choice for creators who want more from their 3D printer. It's beginner-friendly, modder-friendly, and wallet-friendly. No wonder it's a top pick for makers everywhere. There you have it. 5 incredible budget 3D printers that prove you don't need to break the bank to bring your ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest gear guides and reviews. And hey, drop a comment below. Which one of these are you most excited to try out? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating, keep printing, and as always, stay awesome.